speed, distance and time. In this lesson, we are going to calculate distance, speed and time. I will show you a diagram that shows us the connection between of these three. Draw a triangle and draw a line across like this. And the three letters D, S, T standing for distance, speed and time. In alphabetical order, the first one is D. So, write D on top. Next of alphabetical order is S. Write S followed by T. Put multiplication symbol in between S and T. Here, D stands for distance. Therefore, cover the D up. What do we got? We got S into T. Therefore, distance is equal to speed into time. Now, S stands for speed. So, cover up S. And we see that D over T, that is distance over time. Therefore, speed is equal to distance upon time. Next one is T, standing for time. So, let's cover the T up. What we left with? D over S. Therefore, time is equal to distance upon speed. The over symbol means to divide. Let us see few examples. Example 1. A car travels at an average speed of 60 km per hour for 3 hours. How far does it go? Write the given information first. Speed is given and time is given. How far does it go? How far? Far means distance. So, distance is equal to speed into time. So, put the values in this formula. 60 into 3, which is equal to 180. The car travels 180 kilometers. Next example. If distance is equal to 25 meters and time is equal to 5 seconds, calculate the speed. We know that speed is equal to distance upon time, which is equal to 25 by 5 equals 5 meters per second. Next example. Distance is equal to 48 kilometers and time is equal to 3 hours. Then calculate speed. Speed is equal to distance by time. 48 by 3, which is equal to 16 kilometers per hour. Next example. In a race, Mohit covers a distance of 200 meters in 25 seconds. Calculate the speed of Mohit. We know distance travelled by Mohit is equal to 200 meters. Time taken is equal to 25 seconds. Therefore, speed is equal to distance upon time. 200 meters by 25 seconds, which is equal to 8 meters per second. Example. Shona cycles at a speed of 8 kilometers per hour. How far has she travelled if she cycles for 4 hours? Solution. Here we know speed of Shona is equal to 8 kilometers per hour. Time taken is equal to 4 hours. Therefore, distance covered by Shona is equal to speed into time. So, 8 kilometers per hour into 4 hours. 8 fours are 32. 32 kilometers. Next example. A car travels 50 kilometers in 1 hour 40 minutes. Find the speed of the car. Solution. Distance covered by the car is equal to 50 kilometers and time taken is equal to 1 hour 40 minutes. We know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. How many hours is equal to 40 minutes? Which is equal to 40 by 60. Time taken is equal to 140 by 60. If you simplify 1 2 by 3, which is equal to 5 by 3 hours. Therefore, speed of the car is equal to distance upon time. Distance is 50 and time is 5 by 3. If you simplify this, 50 into 3 by 5. So, if you cancel 5 in 50 10 times, 10 3s are 30. Speed of the car is 30 kilometers per hour. Next example. In an athletic meet, a runner covered 1.5 kilometers in 2 minutes. What is his speed? Solution. Distance covered by the runner is equal to 1.5 kilometers and time taken is equal to 2 minutes. 2 minutes is equal to 2 by 60 hours, which is equal to 1 by 30 hours. Speed of the runner is equal to distance by time. Distance is 1.5 by time is 1 by 30. If you reciprocal the fraction 1.5 into 30, so if you multiply, we'll get 45 kilometers per hour. Therefore, the speed of the runner is 45 kilometers per hour. Calculating distance when speed and time is given. The speed of a bullet is 84 kilometers per hour. It travels for 3 minutes and falls down. What is the distance it travels from shorter to the point it falls? Solution. Speed is equal to 84 kilometers per hour. Time is equal to 3 minutes. So convert 3 minutes into hours, 3 by 60 hours, which is equal to 1 by 20 hours. Distance is equal to speed into time. 84 into 1 by 20. If you simplify this, we'll get 4.2 kilometers. Therefore, distance traveled by the bullet is equal to 4.2 kilometers. Calculating time when speed and distance is given. Example. How much time will it take for a bus to travel 150 kilometers if it is traveling at 30 kilometers per hour? Solution. Speed is equal to 30 kilometers per hour and distance is equal to 150 kilometers. Time is equal to distance over speed, which is equal to 150 by 30. Cancel zeros and 3 will cancel in 15 5 times, which is equal to 5 hours. Therefore, the total time taken for the bus to travel 150 kilometers is 5 hours. Here we are going to solve the conversion problems. As you can see, the problem statement is convert into meter per second. So, we are given with 4 speeds which are in kilometer per hour. We have to convert them into meter per second. So, you can see we have the set of 4 speeds in which the second one, I find the simplest one, it is 1 kilometer per hour. This is the speed. This we have to convert into meters per second. What is the speed? The formula for speed is distance traveled or covered in unit time. Therefore, speed is equal to distance by time. Unit was kilometer per hour, meter per second, meter per minute. First, we are going to solve the second one. Here it is 1 kilometer per hour. That means 1 hour. The distance covered is 1 kilometer. And what is 1 hour? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and each minute is 60 seconds. So 60 multiplied by 60 seconds, 6 6 are 36 and write 2 zeros and seconds. Since the person covers 1 kilometer in 1 hour, I write 1 hour into seconds. So in 3600 seconds, he covers 1 kilometer. And what is 1 kilometer? Yes, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. That means in 3600 seconds, he is covering 1000 meters. Define the distance covered in 1 second is 1000 by 3600 meters. Many to 1 is division. Now, if we solve it further, these two zeros will get cancelled and this will be 2 5s are 10, 2 18s are 36. Therefore, 5 by 18 meters are covered in 1 second. That means speed is 5 by 18 meters per second. This is equal to 1 kilometer per hour. Now, first problem. We have to convert 45 kilometers per hour into meters per second. In 1 hour, distance covered is 45 kilometers. That means in 3600 seconds, distance covered is 45 multiplied by 1000. Why it is 45 multiplied by 1000 meters? Because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. And 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. This we have derived recently. 1 hour into seconds, kilometers into meters. So the distance traveled in 1 second is equal to 45 into 1000 by 3600 meters. If you see properly this fraction, we are multiplying while converting kilometer per hour into meter per second, right? See here, kilometer per hour. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters and 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. To convert kilometer per hour, you are actually multiplying it by 1000 by 3600, isn't it? If we solve it further, two zeros will get cancelled. 2 5s are 10, 2 18s are 36. Or eventually, it will be 45 into 5 by 18. Let us solve it further. 9 2s are 18 and 9 5s are 45. Simplify this. 5 5s are 25 upon 2. If we convert it into mixed fraction, 12 1 by 2. Convert this into decimal, so which is equal to 12.5. Let us solve one more problem. 15 kilometers per hour into meters per second. 15 kilometers, convert kilometers into meters means multiply by 1000. 1 hour we have to convert into seconds. 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. So cancel zeros and 2 5s are 10, 2 18s are 36. Again 3 table, 3 5s are 15 and 3 6s are 18, which is equal to 5 multiplied by 5, 25 by 6. If you convert it into mixed fraction, 4 1 by 6 meters per second. Therefore, 15 kilometers per hour is equal to 4 1 by 6 meters per second. Next problem. 30 kilometers per hour, which is equal to 30 kilometers. Convert 30 kilometers into meters. 30 into 1000 by 1 hour. Convert 1 hour into seconds. 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. Let us cancel zeros. And 2 5s 10, 2 18s 36. And again cancel 6 table, 6 3s are 18, 6 5s are 30. So 5 multiplied by 5, 25 by 3. If you convert it into mixed fraction, 8 1 by 3 meters per second. Whenever we want to convert kilometers per hour into meters per second, we can directly multiply by 5 by 18.